Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Smart Trend on Bitget. First, go to the Bitget website and make sure you log it in with your account. Now, click on Earn from the top menu to explore earning options. Then, select Smart Trend from the list. Smart Trend is a market-based investment strategy that aims to earn profits by predicting price trends with a specific range. At the top of the Smart Trend page, you'll see your total assets and total profits. Scroll down to view the available Smart Trend products. For each one, you can check the product name, the APR range, and the price range it operates within. Once you find a product you're interested in, click on Subscribe next to it. A new window will open where you can review the APR range, a price range again to understand the potential earnings and the conditions that affect them. Now, enter the subscription amount based on how much you want to invest. Finally, check the box to agree to the user's agreement and confirm your subscription. Your Smart Trend investment will now be active and may generate return based on how the market moves with the selected price range. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.